The new numbers provided to Fox 13 show a dramatic drop in alcohol-related crashes, but the majority of arrests are still well above the old DUI limit.
And it's good to see.
The Utah Highway Patrol is stunned at the sharp drop in alcohol-related crashes for the first 3 months of this year. It coincides with the law taking effect, dropping Utah's blood alcohol level to 0.05, the lowest in the nation.
We're not quite ready to jump on it and say that correlation necessarily and causation are the same thing. We want to look at it for longer term.
According to preliminary numbers provided to Fox 13 by Utah's Department of Public Safety, there were 236 alcohol-related crashes in 2019 compared to 416 in the same time period last year. There have been 2,713 DUI arrests statewide, but of those, only 135 were for a blood alcohol level of 0.05 to 0.079. The rest were 0.08 and above. Breaking down those 135, 27 were alcohol restricted, meaning they likely had a prior DUI conviction. 59 were under the age of 21, meaning they cannot have any alcohol.
Told you so.
Representative Norm Thurston, who sponsored the .05 law, is thrilled with the numbers.
The good news is that we're seeing fewer people drinking and driving, and as a result of that, fewer crashes and fewer deaths.
I'm glad that arrests are down, accidents are down, but as we saw in previous studies before this law took place, very minimal, if any, deaths are related from under 0.08.
The law has faced pushback from hospitality groups who say it's still having a negative impact. They want more data too.
I do think that restaurants are still struggling with this. I do think that tourism has been affected, whether it's just a perception that Utah has. And I think that it would be smart of the legislature to actually study what this is.
While alcohol-related arrests and crashes are declining, the Utah Highway Patrol says it is seeing an increase in DUIs related to marijuana and opioids. In North Salt Lake, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.